Check it out. Spinach, parsley, basil, water, salt, and lemon juice.
Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve hot and enjoy the unique flavor of this Dagobah swamp stew. May the force be with you in the kitchen and in life, always.
Now that we've got this plated up, let's find out if it's worthy of Her Highnessness. Oh honey, happy May the 4th.
Got a bad feeling about this.
I find your lack of faith disturbing. Anyway, I took some creative liberties here, which I think Yoda would maybe approve of. You might say I lack discipline or focus, though. I separated the stewy element onto the side, and you can add it in.
I like that it's green then.
Don't worry, you can stir it up. Well, how do you feel about stew in general?
I love stew.
No, you don't.
No, I don't.
Why don't you love stew?
It generally just tastes too stewy for me.
Yeah, it can be gloppy.
Yeah. This doesn't appear to be that. I mean, at least there are colors in it. It's not just brown. No, it's good. It doesn't taste like stew.
Really?
Yeah.
AI Yoda suggested that we use ground beef in this recipe.
I appreciate you not doing that.
That would have been yucko, right?
Yeah.
I don't think Yoda has teeth.
That makes sense then.
If you were stranded on a swamp planet and a 900-year-old person made this for you, would you be grateful?
Mm-hmm.
What if you were stranded in South Dakota and a 38-year-old made it for you?
I wouldn't be sad.
Really?
Yeah, the best stew I've ever had.
Well, there you have it, folks.
Thanks, AI Yoda.